To check your Cheesecake Factory gift card balance, follow these simple steps. First, make sure you have your gift card number and the PIN or security code located on the back of the card. You can check your balance online by visiting the Cheesecake Factory website. Click on the Gift Cards tab. Then select Check Balance. You will be prompted to enter your gift card number and PIN or security code. Once you have entered this information, click Submit and your current balance will be displayed. Alternatively, you can check your balance over the phone by calling the Cheesecake Factory customer service number. Let them know that you would like to check your gift card balance and provide them with your gift card number and PIN or security code. They will then inform you of your current balance. You can also check your balance in person by visiting any Cheesecake Factory location. Let the host or server know that you would like to check your gift card balance and provide them with your gift card. They will then check the balance for you and let you know how much is remaining on the card. It is also a good idea to keep track of your gift card balance after each use, so you know how much is remaining on the card. This will help prevent any inconvenience or disappointment when trying to make a purchase. By following these steps, you can easily check your Cheesecake Factory gift card balance and stay up to date on your remaining balance. Remember to always keep your gift card number and PIN or security code safe and secure to prevent any unauthorized use.